In this video, you'll learn how to install a Managed Wi-Fi Gigacenter. Step 1. Unplug the power cord and Ethernet cord from your old router. Then, plug in the Gigacenter using the power supply that came in the Gigacenter box. Make sure the on/off button is pushed in. Next, plug an active Ethernet cord into the Gigacenter. It will take several minutes for the Gigacenter to boot up. When it is ready, you will see 5 lights turn on. Your router is now ready to connect to the network. Your new router will be pre-provisioned, so your network name will automatically pop up. Enter your password. Once you're connected, you will see a green light blink under the 2.4 or 5 GHz network. If you wish to hardwire a device, you will plug the Ethernet cord into Ethernet ports 1 through 4.